Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have some Popeye's chicken. Yes, we do. And guys, I'm not going to do an outfit of the day today because we had a long day today, guys. It was a long day.
Long day.
We're trying to get ready for our road trip. So we was up and down on the road doing all kind of stuff. So I'm out of breath because I had to go get something. Stop being nosy. And so, all right, guys. So my husband, he has 2 breasts and I have 3 legs and some tenders. Well, we're going to share the tenders. And then we have some shrimp also and 3 biscuits. And then I have some mashed potatoes and some red beans and rice. And then my husband has some fries back here. And we're going to dig in, guys, because we are hungry. Hungry.
Long day.
Ooh. Yeah, we had a long day today.
Back with the Grace again, you know?
Ooh, it's hot.
Don't play with her. Made my own little sauce over here. Hot? Good man.
What? I have some 2 times spicy sauce.
2 times spicy? You sizing me up? Anything you could do, I could do better. I got baby rays.
Baby rays is good.
Oh, we got a jelly for the
biscuit. Ooh.
It's hot? That's how you like it.
So I like it.
I love jelly on my biscuit. We both do.
Tastes tender. You know,
Get the shrimp.
we never had shrimp
From Popeye.
from Popeye before. That's weird.
Chicken.
Beer chicken. When I go to Popeye's, I have to have red beans and rice and mashed potatoes. Sometimes I'll do the green beans.
2 breasts.
Yeah, space enough.
I have enough space, man.
Yeah, man. Do you guys like my hair?
I do.
I do. Thank you, my love. I just got it braided going back. I love it. This is my first time doing this hairstyle.
You got your set off look. It fit you.
I set it off.
You're all the Queen Latifah set off look. Yum. Hungry today now?
I'm hungry.
Now we stop waiting so long to eat. Oh shit.
And my food, look at that. What?
I think I strips. Well, you can't see my hair. The first day to hook up my hair. But I can't pull it out right now.
Yeah. It came out really good.
Just hook it up though, you know? That's my hairdresser right here.
I see you trying to go for trying to on a low. Trying to go for my chicken. Yeah, beer chicken in front of you.
Small thing that first day. See him. She gave me a good look at her.
My handsome husband.
But you eat my biscuit, I ain't say nothing.
I thought you didn't see that.
Don't you? When it comes to the food, I see.
I should know better.
True.
You guys know that the legs are my favorite part.
Breast of mine. Wow. I'm gonna be putting sauce a lot.
You be making some good sauces though, I'm not gonna lie. How was the shrimp?
Shrimp nice, man, but the shrimp don't taste like your shrimp we made the other day. Your shrimp was on fleek.
Honey, those shrimps were so good that I made. I'm not gonna lie, it was
delicious. Did I tell you that? Popeye shrimp ain't got nothing on you.
Ain't got nothing on me.
Alright. I'll pay right up.
The lobster. What movie is that from? King Kong ain't got nothing on me.
Dog on basketball. Yo, you're hungry enough to want to talk, you know, bro?
Yo. Guys, if we don't talk a lot right now, You don't understand how hungry we are.
It was a long day. And we still ain't finished what we were doing.
Exactly.
Almost my bedtime.
Oh, you got work tomorrow.
2 days.
My bedtime, not yet. I gotta do my daughter's hair.
Yo. Chicken. You haven't been eating chicken for the whole week.
I don't know. But different kind of chicken.
Yeah. I don't mind. You make sure you clean up the beard, because the beard, this one, not ruggedy. It's not
You
ruggedy.
look so handsome, sir. Say you're going.
Stop going, someone.
Wow.
Wow.
You feeling yourself?
Feeling myself, son.
You're a handsome guy, so.
First they hook me up, yo. First they hook me up. Sometimes you gotta touch somebody, you know.
They have Popeye's in Jamaica, but I've never had Popeye's in Jamaica. We always have KFC.
Well, I never tried. I was so used to it up here. I was going to KFC. When I go down here.
Yeah. KFC and Pizza Hut. Pizza. Listen, you guys never had KFC until you tried KFC in Jamaica. Remember, I tell you that.
Shot. Here's when I strip them.
Remember, I tell you. Two times spicy sauce, a guana.
Give some medicine. Drop some medicine around.
You want some?
Yeah, drop a little bit. I mix it. One more.
More. That's a lot.
I got the barbecue sauce. Mix it with.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, Father.
Oh, honey.
What?
You even say it. Happy
Fast Food Friday. So big and eating.
I know.
Wow. Got him.
I got it.
You know that, you know Fast Food Friday.
That's a good meal.
Come on, chicken, I keep it spicy, you know.
I bet you Dave didn't give us spicy. He probably still give us mild. But Popeye's chicken, their spicy is not spicy. But excuse me, if they give you mild chicken, you can taste the difference. Something is missing.
Nice, man.
Two times spicy.
Dinner with 2 times spicy. Big breast.
You love big breasts.
Should have bite me. Oh, the big breast.
You got a big breast.
Oh, the big breast, man. Oh, excuse me. Wow. 2 times spicy. Hitting young.
I'm telling you. That sauce sneaks up on you. You gotta be very, very careful. Now I'm eating my mashed potatoes. The only thing I didn't do was I didn't tell them extra gravy.
Oh.
When you get mashed potatoes, you gotta have extra gravy, man. You gotta have extra gravy. Put some jelly on this.
Yeah.
How much jelly? How much jelly you normally put? Just one?
Y'all people make more. Nice.
I put 1.5. Ooh, but listen, the biscuit is so soft. You got one breast already?
It's the last breast me on. Got one.
2 times spicy making my nose run a little bit.
Yeah, this chicken ain't spicy. I taste it.
Without putting the salt, without just eating it plain.
The chicken is just chicken.
Hot.
No.
It's still hot.
Macaroni and cheese? Or macaroni and cheese, I mean mashed potato?
Woo! What are you guys having for Fast Food Friday? Guys, don't forget that when you order Popeye'S, when you go to Popeye'S, on the back of your receipt, take the survey, and you get a free meal.
Free meal.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. You know the free stuff, though.
Yeah.
Popeye knows you when you come here.
Look, we haven't had Popeye'S in a while, honey.
That's true. I've been cooking.
But even on Fast Food Friday,
Last time we got it was packed.
yeah,
We had a-
yeah, because
we had a
it'd be
supper.
packed when they had the sandwich. That was the last time we had it.
Yeah, it was a while.
But then they forgot to give us one of our breasts, so they.
Excuse me.
Lord.
Worth it.
So they gave us extra chicken, and that was nice. I got a new manager in there that we like. That new manager wasn't playing.
That new manager's on point. I like that.
We went into Popeye'S. It was crickets. None of the workers in were talking. They was all just working.
Usually
Richie
loud.
and I was looking at each other like, "What's going on in here?" Cause usually what happened, honey? They what?
They're loud.
They loud.
Listen to their music.
Excuse me.
Doing what they feel.
Yep. Taking forever to get your order.
I like this manager right
This
here.
manager was not having it. Everybody was on their P's and Q's with this manager.
Huh? I like that. Take charge. All right.
I can't believe this.
Oh. Still hot.
But I'm telling you, I think it's a 2 times spicy sauce. It's making my mouth so sensitive. That thing is, it's hot. I hope you guys have a great weekend. And a great Friday.
The fuck? Fuck you doing? Did you hear that shit now? Fuck. I'm done eating now.
You finished?
Yeah, we're done eating.
No, you're not.
I'm done.
Can I poop?
I'm done fucking eating, man. Fucking ass.
You guys good?
Done, man.
You got scared? Shani? Really?
Yeah, man, they cut my appetite, man. John know be a cut my appetite, man. You trust me.
Honey, that's not the first time.
Shit.
It wasn't even bad.
That shit was loud.
I'm gonna edit that though.
Cut my man. I cut my appetite, man. You fuck me up, man.
I'm full.
I know there's a million YouTubers out there. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch us. Bye! Switch it up on you today, man.
I see.